Viewers, imagine waiting in a McDonald's drive-thru, believing the only delay is your meal. Then an officer approaches your window. The driver appears confused, admits drinking earlier, and is asked to step outside. Nothing has crashed, nobody is hurt. One peaceful decision could still end the night. She refuses.
Arrives at McDonald's, not because he's on break, but because someone's in the drive-thru and is about to ruin everyone's night.
She's in the drive-thru. She don't move.
Is she right here at the window?
Yeah, the second window.
All right, I'll go talk with her.
She gave me the wrong code. I said, this is not the location, and she said, call your manager. I'm drunk, like she's so, like, she don't know what she's saying.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Second.
Ma'am. How you doing tonight, ma'am? What's going on?
Can I get some food?
Yeah, well, they try giving you your food. You don't want it. Then you need to get out of here.
What?
Did she pay for her food? Did you pay for your food yet, ma'am?
Oh my God.
You have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get your ID, please?
Yeah, take
Thank
my
you.
ID.
Thank you.
Where does the money go?
Say again?
Money?
It goes to them. What's going on?
How much?
Ask them. I don't know the bill.
No. Alright, I don't know you.
Ma'am, have you had anything to drink tonight?
My ex-girlfriend, I'm sorry.
No worries. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
Earlier, yeah.
How long ago?
Oh, we was at the store.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, if you don't mind, can you step out of the car for me?
Not really.
Well, you're going to have to, okay?
Yeah, I don't think that's necessary.
Okay, well, I need you to step out of the car. All right?
What I think is necessary is I get my food.
All right, I'm going to ask you one more time. I need you to step out of the vehicle.
Alright, let me at least answer a person's call.
You can do that outside.
No, I'll do it.
I'm giving you one last chance. I need you to step out of the vehicle right now.
You can call the forces, whatever the
Ma'am, let's go. Step out of the car. Ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. I'm gonna ask you one more time. I'm gonna break this window. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Open the window. Open the window.
Using roads ambulance.
Ma'am, open the door.
I hear you!
Open the door.
I hear you!
Okay, then open the door.
Viewers, the officer repeats the command, but hesitation becomes resistance. The engine stays running until the vehicle suddenly pulls away, transforming a routine welfare check into a felony pursuit. Police radios erupt as officers follow a damaged Honda into a dead end after it strikes a police vehicle. Surrounding officers deliberately slow the encounter, watching every movement, every hand, knowing one mistake could become a deadly confrontation. The driver is eventually extracted, yet the escalation continues with alleged assaults, resistance, and disorder inside the police vehicle. A McDonald's drive-thru has now consumed police, emergency services, motorists, and the wider community.
Vehicle crash on a window seat.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Stop breaching! Yo, someone get passenger side. Get passenger side. I got passenger. Take it slow.
She got her phone. She got her phone.
You guys drop your guns. We're gonna have at least one.
She doesn't even have a door. She doesn't even have a door handle. So.
I got one. It's clear. Interior's clear. One arm. We'll get close. All right.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Juliet 140.
Get up. I'm gonna search it real quick.
Pat down. Female unit. Pat down.
And we all good.
Get in there.
Looking color, she walked into the wrong house and into the
Yo, if I can get in, I can get in. Can I get in?
13 zones.
Thank you for filming. Babe, I love it.
For crash notification.
Did you really think I was going to stay in front of the car I was parking? Because this car would have fit through it.
We didn't want you guys. We want you over there, bro.
I understand that, but...
God forbid that turned into a shooting real quick, Osmendi. It's better letting her go forward. Yeah, go through it.
Put it over.
You're crazy. You think I don't know you? You think I don't remember you?
How can you remember him? You just started.
Yo, hey! Do not kick me!
Don't.
Kick me in the head! Stop! Stop kicking me! Stop! Kicking in the freaking nuts, man.
Did you kick him in the nuts?
Yeah, twice.
Yeah, you deserve to be kicked.
Don't kick again.
You don't need kids. I'll kick you as much as I want to.
Am I good to move my leg out?
Hey, someone go ahead over and see what room.
It's fine. You're pretty light.
Oh, thank you, babe. That's
All right, up we go. Yeah, let's go. Butt in there.
my butt in there?
Yeah, get your butt in there.
Well, what's the difference?
Get in the car.
Why can't I call somebody?
You will at the station.
What the f is this?
We gotta go to the station first. You're about to get yoinked. Get in the car.
Oh my god, okay, hold on. Let me.
You're a bitch.
Aggravated battery on an officer, felony battery on an officer, resisting without violence, and felony fleeing with disregard to the safety of people or property. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a...
Viewers, the suspect was reportedly charged with multiple offences, including felony aggravated battery on an officer and felony fleeing. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. The catastrophe did not begin with flashing lights or arrests. It began beside a drive-through window where one simple command was repeatedly refused. And viewers, that's the world of lost AWOL women.